Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Godly Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to be reviewing a specific item today. Today's item we're going to be reviewing is the Cash App card. For those of you who don't already know, the Cash App card is a Visa debit card that can be used anywhere in the United States, and it also offers cashback at select merchants. The Cash App card allows you to withdraw money from the card at any ATM that is part of the Cash App network. And most of the time, if you go on the app, it will show you the ATM locations. And you can also use the Cash App card anywhere Visa is accepted. So not just in the US, you can use it anywhere it's accepted, as long as it falls within the geographic region Cash App serves. And as of right now, from what I know, Cash App works in the US and in the UK. But there could be some exceptions to that. You would have to go to the website or online to be sure before you take this card with you for international traveling. Disclaimer here, I am not a financial coach. I'm just reviewing this card from my perspective. Everything I say is my opinion and no one else's. Now, one of the good things about the Cash App card is it's free to use. There's no monthly fees, no foreign transaction fees, and there's no ATM fees. But it depends on the merchant. So certain ATMs, if it's not part of the network, could charge you a withdrawal fees, but it's typically not the case. So the Cash App card is a free to use card. You can order it from the Cash App as long as you have an account. And with the Cash App card, you can easily customize it before you order your card, which is the good part. And I'm about to show you guys that very soon. And there's no ATM fees, no withdrawal fees, and there's no monthly fees on the card. So it's a completely free to use card, which you could use for purchases. One of the reasons why you should consider the Cash App card is it's a free to use card, which you could easily transfer money from. So if you receive money through your Cash App, you can easily send that to your main account or your debit card account. And you could also even have a savings account on Cash App. So you could use it to organize your money and for money, and if you want to send money to people with little to no of a price. Now, when you're sending money to people, it does charge you a transfer fee based on the amount for it to be transferred instantly. But if you don't want to deal with that fee, you could just wait 3 to 5 business days, and your transfer to your bank account is going to be completely free. The Cash App card also has amazing security features. If you lose your card, you can easily lock it from the app. Every time a purchase is made, you will be notified. So you can be sure that if anything happens to your card, you can always report it and you can lock your card so nobody uses your money. Opening it, you're greeted with a pretty, simple design. Very simple, not much there. And once your card arrives, it's gonna come in an envelope like this, and it's gonna come with your card right here with a QR code that lets you know to activate it. And that's pretty it, guys. Simple envelope. It's gonna come in and you can start enjoying your card from there on out. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. And you should definitely give the Cash App card a try if you're looking for a free debit card to use. And I highly recommend this card. Make sure you leave a like, thumbs up, comment down in the section below. Let me know what you think of it. And again, I'm not a financial advice, but this was just a great card I felt like getting because it was beneficial. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.